Today, we're diving into the TRENnet 10 Gigabit PCIe SFP Plus network adapter, model TG10GEXF. If you're looking to upgrade your network speed, this adapter is a fantastic option that converts a free PCI Express slot into a high-speed 10 Gigabit SFP Plus slot. With its sleek black design and compact dimensions of 3.4 inches by 2.4 inches, it fits seamlessly into most desktop setups. One of the standout features of this adapter is its support for advanced networking protocols, including jumbo frames and VLAN tagging. This means you can optimize your network performance and manage traffic more efficiently, which is especially beneficial for data-intensive applications. Whether you're streaming high-definition content, gaming, or running a server, this adapter can handle it all with ease. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the inclusion of both standard and low-profile brackets, making it compatible with a variety of desktop cases. Plus, it supports both Windows and Linux operating systems, ensuring versatility for different users. The adapter is also NDAA and TAA compliant, which is a significant consideration for government customers in the US and Canada. With a data transfer rate of up to 10 gigabits per second, you can expect lightning-fast connectivity that significantly outperforms standard Ethernet connections. This is particularly useful for environments where high bandwidth is crucial, such as in data centers or for heavy multimedia tasks. TRENnet backs this product with a 3-year manufacturer protection guarantee, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality and reliability of their hardware. Additionally, their tech support team is readily available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter. Overall, the TRENnet 10 Gigabit PCIe SFP Plus network adapter is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their network capabilities. With its robust features, ease of installation, and solid support, it stands out as one of the best options on the market for upgrading to 10G connectivity. If you're serious about improving your network performance, this adapter is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.